Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Xiaomi 15T Pro and the Nothing Phone 3. Today, we're diving deep into their displays, performance, cameras, battery life, build quality, memory options, and standout features. Which phone nails the perfect balance of cutting-edge tech and user experience? Can the Xiaomi 15T Pro's blazing fast 144Hz AMOLED display and powerful MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chip outshine the Nothing Phone 3's unique Glyph Matrix and Snapdragon 8S Gen 4? And here's the burning question. Does the flashy design of the Nothing Phone 3 actually beat the raw specs powerhouse of Xiaomi? Let's find out. When it comes to displays, the Xiaomi 15T Pro takes the lead with a larger 6.83-inch AMOLED panel boasting a stunning 144Hz refresh rate and an insane peak brightness of 3200 nits, perfect for ultra-smooth visuals and daylight readability. Meanwhile, the Nothing Phone 3 offers a slightly smaller 6.7-inch LTPO OLED with 120Hz and a quirky monochrome LED back display for notifications. The Xiaomi's display quality and sheer brightness make it the clear winner for immersive viewing and gaming. Under the hood, Xiaomi's 15T Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 built on a cutting-edge 3nm process, delivering blazing speed with a Cortex-X925 core clocked at 3.63 GHz. The Nothing Phone 3 runs on the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 at 4nm, which is powerful but slightly behind in raw CPU clock speed. For those craving peak performance and efficiency, Xiaomi's chipset edges ahead with its advanced architecture and higher clock rates. Photography fans will appreciate Xiaomi 15T Pro's versatile triple camera setup, featuring a 50MP main wide lens with a bright f1.6 aperture and a periscope telephoto offering 5x optical zoom, ideal for crisp distant shots. Nothing Phone 3 also packs triple 50MP cams but tops out at 2x optical zoom. If zoom versatility and low-light clarity matter most, Xiaomi's camera system dominates here. Xiaomi ups the ante with Leica Summa Lux optics and Ultra HDR, plus up to 100x zoom, blending optical and AI enhancements, making it a powerhouse for photography enthusiasts. Nothing Phone 3 counters with its Glyph Matrix LED rear interface and AI Super Res zoom up to 60x, but Xiaomi's Leica collaboration and extreme zoom capabilities give it the edge in pro-level photo features. Battery-wise, Xiaomi 15T Pro packs a beefy 5500 mAh cell, offering longer usage potential compared to Nothing Phone 3's 5150 mAh. That extra juice means more screen time and gaming without scrambling for the charger, making Xiaomi the better choice for heavy users. In terms of build, Xiaomi uses Gorilla Glass 7i on the front with a glass fiber back and an aluminum frame, combining durability with lightweight design. Nothing Phone 3 features Gorilla Glass front and back with an aluminum frame as well, but Xiaomi's advanced glass tech and fiber back hint at better impact resistance and rigidity. Xiaomi 15T Pro boasts a top-tier IP68 rating, ensuring full dust tightness and water resistance up to 3 meters for 30 minutes, a serious plus for rough environments. Nothing Phone 3 offers IP64 splash resistance and a distinctive blinking red light for video recording, but Xiaomi's superior water protection clearly wins for ruggedness. Memory options favor Xiaomi with up to 1 TB storage paired with 12 GB RAM, catering to power users needing massive space and multitasking muscle. Nothing Phone 3 maxes out at 512 GB with 12 GB RAM, which is solid but less expansive. For those craving ultimate storage, Xiaomi leads. Xiaomi's 3D Ice Loop cooling system and Dolby Atmos speakers promise top-tier multimedia and thermals, while Nothing Phone 3 dazzles with its Glyph Matrix rear display and flip-to-record feature for effortless video transcription. Both offer unique perks, but Xiaomi's cooling and audio tech push it slightly ahead for performance and entertainment. Price-wise, Nothing Phone 3 is more affordable, ranging around $800, whereas Xiaomi 15T Pro goes from $870 to $1,050, reflecting its premium specs. So, is the Xiaomi 15T Pro's higher price justified by its superior display, camera zoom, and battery life? That's the ultimate debate for you to decide.